Stop.
Sekarang mau museum sains kan, museum terus dulu kan museum nasional pun ini.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Hari yang baru dengan semangat yang baru dan juga tenaga yang baru.
Setelah
Melewati hari yang panjang.
hari yang panjang,
Mau makan gula.
kayak hampir 24 jam on terus ya, duduk terus.
Bener, gila.
Ya sempat tidur sih sore.
Sempat tidur tapi cuma kayak paling 40 menit 1 jam. Semua orang kayak bener-bener gak punya waktu buat tidur.
Tapi ya ini jam pira? Masih jam,
Sebenarnya ini agak
10.
berbeda kalau sebelumnya.
tapi nggak apa-apa lah.
Ya.
Namanya bobo istirahat deh.
Dan namanya kita lagi liburan, jadi kita harus nikmati, lebih menjaga, memikirkan tentang
ini bukan?
Iya betul.
Kita mau makan.
Jadi ini kita mau makan kemana tuh? Jadi ini salah
Kayak rame
satu
ya?
restoran brunch di Manila yang lumayan populer. Reviewnya di mana-mana dan juga lokasinya ada di mana-mana.
Berada.
Wih. Nyebrang aja nggak sih di sini.
Iya kayak nggak ada lampu deh.
Murah.
Ini berapa?
380.
380 dapat.
190 yen nih. 20.000 ya. Nih. Menu itu tolong guys. Masih iPhone pula ya, goyang-goyang gak kan aja.
Iya, lumayan stabil tuh.
iPhone gak ada action mode.
French toast ba? So for brioche French toast not available.
Sebenarnya. Wah, anjir tuh. French toast not available. This is outrageous. Virgin waffle. Virgin waffle.
Coba buka. Nih, bayar nih.
Ini kita pencet.
Ini pencet dua-duanya.
Terus manual.
Thank you. Iya kalau bisa ngomong kerja di Budi Dewi kan enak ya.
Saya di sini kan depan belakang layar ini.
Bedanya di kamera kemarin saat gini, kecil.
Di sini ada layarnya di depan, jadi kamu nggak usah.
Depan belakang mana layar.
Nggak usah.
Oh. Regular, ya, 80.
Go there for a while, okay? Information about Fort Santiago. It's okay to you?
Yeah.
By the way, I am the official guide from the Department of Tourism Philippines. So because outside there's lots of what do you call this? People offering tour like that, but they don't have an idea. They don't know history about the place and about Manila and about Philippines. So Fort Santiago.
Hindi, sa Frankie buti na siguro. Sa Plume may tumasok.
Oh, berarti ki wis pojok iki, Bro. Ini penjara nanti.
Oh iya dah. Mayatnya lang boleh mayat.
Remains.
So you have chili sauce?
Yeah, we have. Hindi mo pino-comfort food.
What time do you say?
Di mana ya? Soto.
Dengan ini ya.
Di mana?
Ini Pak.
Mau? Mana? Di soto di mana emang? Itu kalau di soto.
Gak ada yang menarik.
Oh, banyak yang menarik, kita bingung. Ada yang printing layer.
Segede itu.
Terus nanti
Dipotong.
Alvin pengen coba carrot cake ya. Kamu mau tak tertarik ke carrot cake?
Kari.
Aku udah pernah nyoba sih, cuma jadi aku udah lama.
Oke.
Coba.
Bola apa?
Ayo, ini bersih lah ya kok.
Kayak kan sabi, tapos pinalaki.
Green Lantern.
Kasi naman sa business ko. Magkano yung ano nito? Yung sa loob steak.
Mau lagi nggak, Beb? Lucu ya? Kayak misal lagu ya? Bisa gak ya? Di sana apa? Biasanya balik sekali. Kecuali naik.
Kesan tayo. Thank you.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Lihat
Sorry,
dulu.
that's what kind of nuts? What kind of nuts? Lihat aku lihat. Tuh kita nih. Ya. Kan itu mah ada tuh kan di ayah pun. Ini look at the.
Lagi, please. Berdua ya.
Ada.
Yes. Vanilla milkshake.
Oke.
Ada ekstra.
Apa ini?
Ada ekstranya.
Ekstra.
Jadi kelebihan.
Itu ya siapa?
Apa kita sebenarnya apa nih?
Nggak tahu. Ya. Udah semua kan tadi?
Udah semua lagi.
Udah semua. 5.
Sama foto-foto.
Foto minta tolong orang ya?
Bin, mau apa Bin? Apa?
Kepengen.
Tinggal besok gua.
Fort Santiago is one of the oldest fortification in Manila, named after Santiago de Compostela of Spain. Because in history, most of the countries colonized, do you understand my English?
Ya.
Colonized by Spain, they always built a military defense like this, near to the sea, river, and land. Like in Cuba, Chile, Peru, Argentina, Puerto Rico. That's why until now, the capital of Chile is Santiago de Chile. Right? But the question is, what is the English of Santiago? You pay 75 pesos each. Okay. One of the apostle of Jesus Christ.
Oke.
He is the man riding the horse. In English, Saint James. Hello, Sir James. Saint James.
Not the same thing.
But sadly to say this, before the Spanish came here, we are Muslim.
Oke.
So two different kinds of Muslims we have in Philippines. We have Muslim from Saudi Arabia
Oke.
and we have Muslim from Malaysia.
Oh.
The old Malacca.
Oh.
Okay? So this place used to be the palace of the Muslim king named Raja Sulaiman, the ancestors of King Bulkiah of Brunei.
Oke.
Of course, if you are a king, your wooden palace have a name. So Sulaiman named this place two native words. Maynilad. Now it's Manila. So what is the English of Maynilad? So May means there is or there are. And Nilad is the white flowered mangrove plant. But the color of the leaf is one of the color of the rainbow. So the native here called that color indigo. So that's indigo plant. Nilad. Maynilad means there's indigo plant. That's history. Maynilad before, Manila today. Because the English came here. American English. So 4 colonizers we experienced after the Muslim. Spanish, 333 years. They baptized the Muslims, so Muslims here become Catholic. But why the Spanish colonized us? Because of the 3-letter G.
Yes.
Gold, God, glory. Because of the competition between Portugal and Spain. They compete. And then after that, the British came here for 2 years. Americans 48 years. But why the Americans came here? Strategically military position. 7,641 islands we have in the new census. And then the last colonizer, the most brutal and cruel, Japanese occupation. In 1946, we got our Philippine independence. So guys, what we offer here in short is a complete tour. A guided tour, historical tour, and I will be your English guide, everything. I will explain to you side by side what is inside the wall there. The dungeon or the prison cell. Japanese occupation where they found 600 dead bodies of Filipinos and Americans. Would you like to try that? And we're gonna talk about also our Philippine national hero in Philippines named Jose Rizal. Because he was in prison here and then he was going to his execution site. You can divide this rate. You can divide it into 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. So the rate of we have is 1,500 for everything.
800.
Yeah, you can divide 2, 4, 6, 8,
Oh,
10.
1,500.
Yeah, it's only 200 each.
500.
That's very informative because I will bring you to the ruins and then we're gonna talk about the history of that.
Sebenarnya kalau menurutku ya, ini nih terus ya
betul.
How long
long na
have you spent here? How long?
tomorrow night.
Tomorrow you're going back to Taiwan. You're gonna be, did you know that our indigenous came from Taiwan? Yeah, the Austronesians.
Oh.
Because that's a small black man with curly hair.
How long will the tour take?
How long?
How long?
How long? Because the tour we have is 45 minutes up to 1 hour. You have time for that?
Okay.
That's very informative. You've got a best guide and you've got a best tour. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Just rate me, I'm my name. Okay.